Welcome to our ultimate showdown between the NEEWER Ring Light 18-inch kit and the NiceVeedi 2-pack LED Video Light Kit. Today, we will dive into the specifications, pros and cons, and see how these two lighting kits stack up against each other. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, we have all the details you need to make an informed choice. When it comes to pricing, the NEEWER Ring Light 18-inch kit is priced at $159, making it a more expensive option. On the other hand, the NiceVeedi 2-pack LED Video Light Kit is significantly more affordable at just $50. This price difference can be a crucial factor for many content creators, especially those on a budget. The NEEWER kit features a large 18-inch ring light, which is known for providing even and soft illumination, ideal for makeup and photography. In contrast, the NiceVeedi kit includes two separate panel lights, offering flexibility in lighting setups, but may not provide the same soft light effect as a ring light. In terms of power, the NEEWER ring light boasts a power rating of 55 W, making it significantly more powerful than the NiceVeedi kit, which has a power rating of 15 W per light. This power difference means that the NEEWER can provide brighter illumination, which is essential for professional use. In conclusion, the NEEWER Ring Light 18-inch kit is an excellent choice for professionals seeking high-quality lighting, while the NiceVeedi 2-pack LED Video Light Kit offers a budget-friendly option for beginners. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either of these kits could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.